Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start immediately by checking the Maruti Suzuki car care kit components so you know what to use and when. Put on gloves, park the car in shade, and make sure the surface is cool. This prevents streaks and water spots. Once ready, rinse the vehicle from top down with low-pressure water to lift grit. Make sure to remove heavy mud first so you avoid scratching when you later apply shampoo or use a wash mitt. Next, mix the shampoo at the 1:50 ratio recommended and wash in 2-foot panels to control suds and avoid drying marks. Use a clean wash mitt and straight top-to-bottom strokes, rinsing the mitt frequently. This reduces swirl risk. Clean wheels and tires with the dedicated brush and wheel cleaner, keeping that tool separate from the bodywork. Once done, dry panels immediately with microfiber towels and a squeegee on glass to prevent water spots and check for missed contaminants. Finish by applying the wax or sealant in thin, even passes using the kit applicator. Small amounts cure better and buff off cleaner. Work one panel at a time and adhere to the product cure time printed on the bottle. This ensures maximum gloss and protection. If you need to polish, use the included polish sparingly and test a hidden spot first, because aggressive polishing removes clear coat. If streaking appears after
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.